All right, today we're going to go over the chain rule. The chain rule is a way to derive a composite function. A composite function being a function inside of a function. So let's look at this. This is the equation for using the chain rule. The derivative of f of g of x is equal to the derivative of f with g of x still inside times the derivative of g of x. And this is an example that I typed up. Let's say y is equal to x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 1/2. Well, let's let the inner function g of x, or x squared plus 1, equal to u. So we're going to substitute that in, and we're going to find the derivative of that first function. We're going to find the derivative of the outside function. So we bring down the 1/2, we subtract 1 from the exponent, so we end up with 1/2 u to the power of 1/2. And now, like I said, we're going to multiply that by the derivative of of g of x, which in this case is u. So we're going to multiply that by u prime. So now we're going to substitute u and u prime in, and now we have the derivative of y is equal to 1/2 times x squared plus 1 to the power of 1/2 times 2x. And we can simplify that so we get y prime is equal to x over the square root of x squared plus 1. Okay, so this question is asking for the derivative of 2 sine 2x. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just say that, let's just let u equal 2x. And now we have 2 sine of u. We're going to want to find the derivative of this, and then we're going to multiply it by the derivative of u prime. So what is the derivative of 2 sine? It is 2 cosine. And while we're at it, let's just substitute u in for 2x. And then we're going to try to multiply that by the derivative of u. And u is 2x. What is the derivative of u? Or what is the derivative of 2x? It is 2. So this is equal to 4 cosine 2x. Okay, this question is a bit complicated because you're going to have to use the chain rule more than once. Let's begin by finding the derivative of the outside function. For the time being, let's just let cosine 2x equal u. So what is the derivative of u to the 1/2? It is 1/2 u times negative 1/2. So let's substitute cosine 2x in for u, and we end up with 1/2 cosine 2x. Sorry, the square root of cosine 2x. Because remember, since it's anything raised to the 1/2 is actually the square root of that. And since it's a negative exponent, it goes to the denominator. And now we have to find the derivative of u, and u is equal to cosine 2x. Now, you'll notice that there is actually another function within this, and that second function being 2x. So let's let 2x equal, let's let 2x equal w. So we end up with cosine w is what we're trying to find the derivative of. And so the derivative of cosine w is negative sine w. So let's substitute w in for 2x. So we're going to end up multiplying this by negative sine 2x. And now we can finally multiply this by the final derivative of w being 2. And so this is our answer. Let's make it look a little better. We end up with negative sine 2x over the square root of cosine 2x.